Hey guys, okay, so I promised you the second part of GMA, and that is when we come across grouping, which is the parentheses or the brackets. So I picked a problem from our simplified numerical expressions. It's the second one. Here it is. Okay. So, using GMA order, or for us parents, PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. What we're talking about right now is when we start with the P parentheses or the G grouping. In this case, you'll notice that we have the brackets and parentheses. So the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look into the brackets and go directly to what's in the parentheses. That problem is 5 times 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the parentheses, and in those parentheses are multiplication. So 5 times 4 is 20. Because we have solved what's in the parentheses and there's nothing else to solve, we are going to not put the parentheses around it, but we do need to write the brackets. Okay, and then you drop the rest of the problem. So we did the parentheses, and inside those parentheses was multiplication. Excellent. So now we still haven't gotten finished with grouping because we have the brackets. So this time it doesn't matter what operation it is because it's 20 plus 12 is what's in the brackets. So what we're going to do is we're going to underline that, and we are going to do 20 plus 12, which is 32. Now, there's nothing left to solve in those brackets, so you don't need to write the brackets anymore. But you need to bring everything else down. So we did the brackets, and we did the adding inside the brackets. So what we have left now is we have adding or dividing, and that's where the multiplicative comes in before the additive. Remember, multiplicative is multiply or divide. We have a divide, so that's what we're doing next. Divide. Oh, let me make sure I underline. So it's 32 divided by 4, which gives you 8, and then you drop the rest of the problem. That leaves us with our very last one, which is adding. 3 plus 8 is 11, and that is our answer. So we went from parentheses inside the brackets, which had multiplication, to brackets, which had the adding, then the dividing, and finally adding. Remember, if you have any questions, you can ask me, comment below, or ask me in our Google Classroom. Bye.
Oh.